Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to dive deep into Square POS app review to help you decide if this app actually worth it. So to get started, Square Point is a free all-in-one payment and business management app tailored for small business, pop-up shop, and mobile vendors. It allows users to accept payment, manage inventory, track sales, and even build an online store, all from smartphone or tablet with no monthly fee and a straightforward setup. It's especially appealing to startup and solo entrepreneur. Strength of Square POS includes its user-friendly interface, transparent pricing, and a comprehensive suite of features even on the free plan. User can process various payment types, send digital receipts, and access basic inventory, sale reports. The platform also offers hands-on like email marketing, payrolls, team management, allowing business to scale their operation as needed. However, there are some weaknesses. Square POS may not be ideal for businesses with complex inventory or those requesting advanced automation. Additionally, while the free plan is robust, specific tools are only available on pay plan. Square POS is best suited for small to medium-sized business seeking a cost-effective, easy-to-use solution for sales and permanent